survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.
Hey, Eclipse. Well, today's been a wonderful turn of events. Bro, yeah. So, after getting the intro footage for this video, we literally got, well, that exactly pulled up. We was pulled up on by 3 squad cars. What did he get us for?
Unwanted person on the premises.
Yeah, that's happens when you break the law, guys.
Gotta get the footage.
Oh man, that junk. Okay, you supposed to get out the vehicle, put your hands on the car. I'm like, yup, this is the enemy, right? It's time for to go out. I felt bad in getting no actual footage of the whole incident, but it's whatever. Like I said, when you're in the car, it's only a matter of time for a cop gets involved eventually. So yeah, we got citations. It is what it is. Life goes on. What's up there? But let's start this video off, guys. It's your boy here, ACG Afro Car Guy. If it's your first time swinging by, go ahead and stop, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon, and let's jump straight into today's video. Today I'm with
Ignorant.
and we're driving his
2018 Mustang Ecoboost.
This thing is
Cleanest in the city.
Ooh, and he say that proudly, man. Boy, what? Oh man, my mind's still kind of frazzled from what just happened, guys. So give me a second.
He didn't get the footage, guys.
Oh, I know. I felt so bad. By the time he pulls out, I was like, yo, I should have freaking recorded this. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. I really just got fucking footage, man. I don't know what the hell.
That would have been golden. It could have been a thumbnail.
It really could have fucking been. Can we find him again? Damn it. Shit. Okay, so how this video finna go? We're gonna find somewhere else to do the fucking burnout.
Yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere.
Okay, cool. Alright, bet. Alright, let's get this video on the way. I know I just said that, but now I'm saying it again. Huh?
You know what the one was?
Yeah, we do it for right now, yeah. Yeah, okay. So tell us something about the car. What's up with this thing, man?
You know, it's an Ecoboost, you know, everything stock engine wise.
Okay.
We got some coilovers, Raceland,
okay.
and the wheels, of course.
Alright, what kind of wheels are you running?
I can't pronounce it.
I know.
Gotta be German.
Okay.
And 19 by 11s all the way around.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
That's it with the, there's been all that's done right now. Oh, and muffler and resonator. Not too much yet, you know, we got a big turbo, MA Performance turbo coming. Intercooler, all that's coming.
Yeah.
Then I think that's really it. It's a daily. I slide it on the weekends. Pretty sure y'all see me if you know me.
I'm gonna drop that for y'all. I got y'all.
Yeah, definitely. What I do is a slider spot.
It's a slider. Hey, that's dope. Freaking love Mustangs, man. Definitely since it's an Ecoboost. Okay.
Slang stand, that's what we call it.
Woo! I was gonna say, so what do you think you like the most about it?
It's good on gas.
Okay, that's something to be like.
Yeah, and what I don't like about it is slow.
Really?
We're finna hit it.
Okay. We're gonna do a quick pull, guys. Let's see what she's got. He's gonna back it down real quick. No, that's perky. No, that is not slow.
You think so?
No, that thing is that's what's the word I'm looking for? That is that's moderate. That's good enough.
Well, I say it's slow because I drove a Z01.
Okay, that's
My
probably
boy, I drove
right.
it consistently. My boy had a 01. I drove consistently.
He's been
That shit scared me.
desensitized. He's been desensitized. That's why.
Yeah, most definitely.
What was the Z01? Z01's like about what?
Like 6 something.
600?
It was an older one. It was like a 13 01
Oh,
or somewhere in there.
yeah.
But yeah, it was fast. It used to scare the fuck out of me.
All right, and what would you say is your future plans for the Ecoboost Mustang?
Like I said, we got the MA Performance, and I'm probably gonna switch the wheels out. Well, just 2. I'm gonna do gloss black on the right and keep the gold on the left.
Ah, that's dope. Hell yeah. Well, that's gonna be clean.
I don't know if I want to split the paint down the middle. Oh wow, it's nice.
There's so many modified cars.
Yeah, it's actually getting better over here. Yeah, it wasn't like this at first.
No, man. Especially when I came from Decatur, I was probably the only modified car in the area.
You had to. Well, no. It's this white. I don't know what it is, bro.
Yeah.
It's white, and the only thing that was wide in it was the backs. That was it. Yeah, I don't know what it was.
Oh man. So what made you opt for the manual transmission instead of the glorified 10-speed automatic?
We don't do automatics.
We don't do automatic. Fair point. Fair point.
I don't like automatics. I was driving an automatic before. I like the pop clutches and shit.
Okay. I feel that. Word. That's nice, man.
Yeah, we coming for y'all GTs though. Most definitely. Embarrass some of y'all.
Last little fur banger hurt us some V8 feelings. Hell yeah. This week's review, I hope you all guys liked, enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Y'all know the whole gist. But as usual, before I let y'all go, I'm gonna leave y'all off with this real quick. He's a slider. Hold that dream, y'all.
I just wanna slide, so please just pull away. I can't